Hello, Jake. Here is our shopping list for today.
It looks very long. Do we need all these things?
We need many ingredients for our big dinner.
I am ready to find everything. I have the red basket.
The shop is very busy today. Let's start with the fruit.
Fruit is always at the entrance. I see the apples over there.
We need 6 red apples. Please find the best ones.
These apples look very sweet. I am putting them in the basket.
Do we need oranges too? They have a lot of vitamins.
Yes, let's take 4 oranges. They are good for juice.
Look at the grapes. They are green and very fresh.
Green grapes are my favorite. Can we take one bag?
Of course. Put them next to the apples.
The basket is getting heavy already.
You are strong, Jake. We have more things to buy.
What is the next item on your list?
We need some vegetables for the salad.
I see the tomatoes and cucumbers. They are very bright.
Please take 3 large tomatoes. I will take the cucumbers.
The cucumbers are very long and green.
We also need a big onion. It adds a good taste.
I hope it does not make us cry.
It is a sweet onion. It is very mild.
I am adding it to the basket. What about lemons?
We need 2 lemons for the fish.
I found some small yellow lemons. They look perfect.
Great! The fruit and vegetable section is finished.
Let's move to the bakery. I love the smell of bread.
I can smell the fresh bread from here.
It makes me very hungry.
The bakery section is very beautiful.
Look at these large brown loaves. They are still warm.
We need 1 baguette for the soup.
I am taking the longest baguette. It is very crusty.
Do you want some croissants for breakfast?
Yes, please. 2 chocolate croissants would be great.
I will put them in a paper bag. They look delicious.
Can we buy some cookies? These look like stars.
We have enough sweets on the list.
But these cookies are very small. They won't hurt.
Okay, take 1 small box. You are a child sometimes.
Cookies make every day better.
Is there any brown bread? I like it with butter.
There is some over there. It has many seeds on top.
That is very healthy bread. Let's take it.
The basket is almost full.
We can take another basket if you want.
No, I can carry this one. It is not a problem.
You are doing a great job, Jake.
Shopping with you is fun. Usually, I am very fast.
I like to check every product. Quality is very important.
I can see that. You are very careful.
Look at the small cakes. They have pink cream.
They are beautiful, but very sweet.
We should stay focused. The dairy aisle is next.
I need milk for my coffee.
Do you like whole milk or thin milk?
I prefer whole milk. It tastes much better.
I will find the milk. You can look for cheese.
I know a very good cheese here.
I have the milk. It is in a glass bottle.
I found some cheddar cheese. It is very yellow.
We also need some white cheese. It is for the salad.
Is this feta cheese okay? It is in a blue box.
Yes, that is perfect for the Greek salad.
Do we need any butter today?
We have some at home, but check the eggs.
I see a box of 12 eggs. I am checking for cracks.
Are they all okay? We need them for the cake.
Yes, all 12 are perfect. I am putting them carefully.
Please be very gentle with the eggs.
I am placing them on top of the bread.
What about yogurt? I like strawberry flavor.
There are many types here. I see a big family pack.
A family pack is a good idea. It is cheaper.
I am adding the yogurt to our basket.
The fridge is very cold here. I'm shivering.
Let's move quickly. We need to find some oil.
Olive oil is in the next aisle.
I see many different bottles. Which one is best?
The dark green bottle is the best quality.
It is a bit expensive, but it looks very professional.
Good oil makes the food taste better.
I agree with you. Let's take the green bottle.
Do we need any salt or pepper?
We have salt, but we need black pepper.
I will find the spices. They are small and light.
I am waiting near the pasta. We need some spaghetti.
Take 2 boxes of spaghetti.
I am choosing the Italian brand. It is the best.
I have the black pepper. Did you find this spaghetti?
Yes, I have 2 boxes. I also found some rice.
Is it white rice or brown rice?
It is long grain white rice. It is good for pilaf.
Let's take 1 kilogram. It lasts a long time.
The basket is very heavy now. My arm is tired.
Put the basket on the floor for a minute.
That feels much better. Thank you, Olivia.
We are almost finished. We need some fish.
The fish counter is at the back.
I want some fresh salmon. It is very healthy.
The salmon looks very pink and fresh today.
Please ask the man for 2 pieces.
He is preparing it now. It looks very clean.
I will look for some tea. I like green tea.
Can you find some black tea for me?
I found a box with 20 bags. Is that enough?
Yes, that is perfect for 1 week.
Do we need sugar for the tea?
No, we have a lot of honey at home.
Honey is much better than sugar. It is natural.
I am taking the fish now. It is in a cold bag.
Put it far from the bread. We want to keep it cool.
I am being very careful. What is next?
We need some water. 6 large bottles.
I can't carry 6 bottles in this basket.
We should get a trolley for the water.
I will go and get one. Wait here, Olivia.
Okay, I will check the list again.
I will be back in 1 minute.
You are back with the trolley. That is better.
Now we can buy more things. This is very easy to push.
Let's put the heavy bottles in the trolley.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done.
Now we are near the frozen food. Look at the ice cream.
Oh, chocolate ice cream. Can we please buy this?
We did not have ice cream on the list.
It is a special treat for our dinner.
You have a very big smile. Okay, put it in.
You are the best, Olivia. I love chocolate.
I see some frozen peas. They are good for the pie.
I am putting the peas next to the ice cream.
Is there any frozen pizza? Just for emergency.
I see a margarita pizza. It looks very simple.
Let's take one. Sometimes we are too tired to cook.
That is a very smart idea. I like pizza too.
Our trolley is almost full of good food.
We have everything on the list now.
Wait, I forgot the napkins. We need them for the table.
They are in the household aisle. I see them.
Take the white ones. They look very clean.
I am taking 2 packs. We have many guests.
Are you ready to pay? The line is not very long.
Yes, let's go to the checkout counter.
I have my reusable bags in my pocket.
That is good for the environment. No plastic bags.
I try to be very green. It is important for the planet.
I am pushing the trolley to the cashier.
I will help you put the things on the belt.
Teamwork makes shopping much faster.
Here is the belt. Let's put the heavy items first.
I am starting with the water bottles.
Then put the milk and the oil.
The cashier is very fast. She is scanning everything.
I am opening the big green bags.
I will put the vegetables in this bag.
Please put the eggs and bread on top.
I remember, I don't want to crush the bread.
The total price is on the screen.
It is $80. Is that okay?
Yes, we bought many things today.
I am paying with my credit card.
I will pay for the next trip. This is fair.
Don't worry about it. It is my pleasure.
The machine is asking for your PIN code.
Done. The payment is successful.
Here is our receipt. It is very long.
I will put it in my pocket. We can check it later.
All the bags are full. We are ready to go.
I am pushing the empty trolley to the park.
The sun is setting. The sky is very orange.
It is a very beautiful evening.
I am excited to cook our dinner.
I will help you in the kitchen.
You are a great helper, Jake.
I am also a very good taster.
I know that very well.
Let's go to the car. It is not far.
I am very happy with our shopping today.
Me too. We have a lot of delicious food.